Hi friends, this is Pradeep here. So this year, build 2020, Microsoft launched a package manager for Windows. Finally, a package manager that will let us install all the softwares that we require in a new machine to set up a new machine. We can just write a list of all those things and install those softwares in one go, right? However, this package manager is still under development. Only the people who have, Windows 10 Insider and, preview flight ring. It's kind of complex actually for us to get this Windows package manager WinGet, and it's not everyone can afford the luxury of being on Windows 10 Insider, right? If we have only one machine and that is our day-to-day machine where we need to do all the coding or any critical work, we cannot have the risk of running with Windows 10 Insider and then this preview flight ring actually, if there is some incompatibility between Windows or Git or Windows or Node, that then we will have to restore Windows. It will pretty much result in losing probably a day, right? However, before this WinGet came into picture, there was another Windows package manager, right? And it is called Chocolatey. And as far as I remember, this has been there almost 8 to 9 years or 10 years in existence actually, right? And this is solid piece of software. It is not a random what do I say? It is not an amateur product actually. You can rely on it. Okay, and then how can you install it on Windows? Right, let's just check it out. Installing on Windows, yes, the requirements are looking good. Windows 7 Plus, Server 2003, that's good enough, right? PowerShell V2. So nowadays, anyway, PowerShell is like version 7, and every system, Windows 10, Windows 7, they come already with PowerShell V2 actually. So these are the requirements that we can meet today, right? And then there are some steps that we need to execute on PowerShell with administrative access. Like when we are trying to execute Chocolatey, we need to have administrative rights, right? And once Chocolatey is done, installed, you can just say Choco. It can be accessed like that, right? And then there I have Choco, right? So I can show you how to install a new software actually. So just like we have Nugget and npm package repositories, we have Chocolatey repositories where bunch of packages are already listed. So if I need to install a software, right, let me just search for a PDF reader, Foxit, right? So I got it here. It is there. Most of the softwares you will find it here. It will be, very rare that you don't find a software here. Right. So let's just put it here. I already started my shell in administrator mode. So I'm just going to hit enter, and there you go. It is installing the software, right? And somewhere in between, you just need to accept the prompts which are coming. And Chocolatey will take its own time, download it, and then install the software for you.